Hello everyone, this is the LZA Global Trade company with you here today, and we're here to show you guys how we do our packaging and shipping. So we have partnered with Ocean Eagles Trading and Logistics Company to make sure that everything that you buy from China here or the goods that you buy from here is sold to you wherever you are. So as you can see behind me, these are goods that are ready to be shipped from China to Ghana. And these goods will be going to Accra, Kumasi, and Sunyani. You can see our team, they're making sure that everything is checked before it's shipped to the client. So everyone here is working hard together to make sure that everything that you buy gets to your destination smoothly without any problem. So do not hesitate to contact us to source all the goods or the things that you want to buy from China here, being it cars, motorbikes, spare parts, or even if you are starting your own business and you want to customize your own goods, depending on whatever you want, the requirements, you just send it to us and we'll make sure that everything goes according to plan. Thank you and see you guys in our next video.